guys, so we're out here at Fayetteville. We got Courtney over here. He's got the Comet. How are you doing? You nervous?
No, not too bad.
He's been busting butt on the car, trying to get it ready. And it's still, you didn't get done with the dump, so it's still under. The good thing is, though, like you said, we're on asphalt, so it won't be quite as dusty. It just vibrates your butt pretty hard. So, but once he puts the turnouts on it, he's going to put little mini bullhorns on it. I think that's going to be the deal. So he's going to make his first passes today. What'd you want? Second. Yeah, that's right. Well, first, yeah, well,
still won't be a pass.
Maybe by the end of the day, you'll be able to get a full pass, you know? So, I mean, and that's the good thing about it is a blower car, you can go out there and, I mean, you can be at 30%, 40% throttle, just get it to roll down through there. And we'll start getting some time slips, and then you'll have a starting ET, and then you can gradually get a little bit faster. So go check him out on his YouTube channel, The Paint and Paper Hustle. I think it is. It's going to be fine.
We can just go down at 60 miles per hour. 60
miles an hour. You're fine. You've been driving it on the street a little bit?
No, in the neighborhood.
Well, the neighborhood, that's the same thing as the street. It's a street car. Yeah. So go check him out. The Paint and Paper Hustle. It's going to be awesome. E85 life.
Go in the right lane.
All right, here we go, buddy. Right. Second pass. Good luck. Have fun. Don't forget to stop and get a time slip. Yeah. right, Courtney, how did it feel?
One better. So I know, like Randy said, it was I gave it more throttle at Harold's.
Right.
But I felt like it was out of control, but I felt like I didn't know what was going on.
Right.
This one, I felt like I actually knew what was going on, even though it was way slower.
This is a nice acceleration. I mean, you almost run it to the 8th. I don't think you made it quite there.
When I went past the cone, that's when I was like, I wasn't even looking for the cone.
Right.
I was paying attention to shifting cone.
Right.
Like just next one, I'll look for the cone.
Yeah, you just pulled off, so there's nothing wrong with that.
No, next one will be a lot better.
What did it run? What time still say?
I didn't even look at
Yeah,
it.
look at
I'm just glad it's on the roof.
Let's go look at it and see what it runs.
I'm glad we made it down and shifted through all the gears.
It felt good though, didn't it? So first pass ever, full pass, 243 60 foot. .938 to the to the 8th mile, 68 miles per hour. So that's not bad. I mean, most people, my first pass ever was like a 1050. I mean, that was holding it to the floor, nailed. So now something that is interesting, you went a 622 to the half track, so 330 feet. Before it's all said and done, you'll be doing that in the full 1/8 of a mile. So just understand, it just gets faster from here. Awesome, man, awesome. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was much better. All right, guys. So that is Courtney's official first pass.
Yeah,
How, did it feel like you shot out of a rocket?
Yeah.
It spins you back into seat. That's what it's about right there. So time, personal best, 153, 644 at 101. It did hit the rev limiter, so he had it toe nailed out there. So we're gonna let it shift next time. And if he knows the throttle full time, let it shift itself. You'll probably have 5 second slip next couple passes.
Yeah, I want you to look at the data log because I wasn't a bit afraid of that one.
Yeah,
really.
it felt good, didn't it?
The speed felt fine. Like,
Awesome. Let's cool it down, pop the hood, pull the data log, get another. best right there, whatever it was. 629, 108.
Let off early again, and I have no clue why. As soon as I let off, I was literally, I was like, why did I just do that?
The automatic shifter is nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
155, 414, 629, and 108. We'll pull that log and see where you let off. That's a good pass.
What was that one?
629 at 108. So yeah, that's running good. So let's pop the hood, cool it down real fast. 595 and 121 and lost the hood. Personal best. 595.
They will be here till 5:30.
595. Hood was not happy. Ah. All right, so we're in the truck here. Appreciate the ride. Look, somebody's already jumped the fence over there to get it. Okay. Well, he grabbed it. Hopefully it's not in terrible shape.
Swing around.
Okay.
You let it back in and take it the rest of the way up, or any way you got it.
Oh, it's broke.
Huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
it ripped the hinges off. Ouch. Personal best.
John, what did you do to the hood?
I told you 595. I told you to go fives.
And it took the hood with it.
Randy said something about he'd mentioned something about more Zeus fast
Hey,
moves.
glad you know your body, man. If I wasn't a painted body guy, I would give a shit.
God. It broke the hinges off.
No, it ripped the bolts out, yeah.
Yeah,
It ripped the bolts out of the firewall.
Huh.
You can tell when somebody was right.
God. Oh yeah, it was not happy about going that fast.
Yeah, that's a 6-second hood. As soon as you went in the fives and said, I'm out.
He said, I'm out. Thank God, I ain't gonna lie, thank God that didn't happen when I was driving it. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Being a painted body guy, you don't even care.
Yeah. Good thing that's
I thought it made it completely.
The only thing I care about is that
I thought
trim and the emblem is the only thing I care about.
I thought that it made it. I didn't think it hit anything, but I guess it come down on the wall.
Yeah.
It looked like it went straight to grab, but it hit hard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, good thing that's base cool.
Personal best. How did it feel? Hey, good job not chicken footing it down through there.
I said screw it on that one. I said this is the last pass for 3 weeks.
Personal
We're holding this
best.
thing till something comes loose.
It
And
did.
the hood come loose, and I think I kept on this thing. I said screw it.
Look, at least it did not break the window. It didn't hit the top. Didn't touch the car. So got lucky. Got a personal best. Destroyed the hood. It's time for a fiberglass hood anyway.
They're going to carve in a fiberglass.
Yeah. So that'll
Yeah,
definitely be
John showed out. It
good.
literally, it tore
Just tore it right
from
out.
the factory nut certs in there. Yeah, ripped it.
Dang, look at that. Wow, guys. All right, well, Courtney, good job driving. That was fourth pass today. Fifth pass overall, and went into fives. How did it feel?
What good? And what y'all don't realize that John won't put on the camera is the bullying that John and Randy do behind the scenes, saying if you don't go into freaking fives, you're grounded.
Did Randy say that to
Yeah,
you?
Daddy Randy was like, you're grounded if you don't put it into fives.
595, baby. Yes, sir. Now next time out, we'll start playing with the trans brakes on. So good job, man. All right, guys, y'all go check him out. The Paint and Paper Hustle. He'll tell y'all. He's gonna show y'all a bunch more this week. Later, guys.